sales engineer of Ningbo Tianhui Machine Company. Now I will introduce the stainless steel exhaust manifolds and our factory to you. We are a machining factories. We are not a trading companies. We started to produce the exhaust manifolds since 2008. We have over 10 years experience in producing various exhaust manifolds. We have produced many kinds of stainless steel exhaust manifolds, and because we have signed a non-disclosure agreement with customers, some customers do not like we put their products on the lines, so I can only show you a few kinds of exhaust manifolds. So we have rich experience in producing those parts. We are very familiar with the castings, mold design, mold produce, and the machinings, and our price is very competitive. Now, let me to introduce our factory to you. Our factory name is Ningbo Tianhui Machine Companies. We are established in 2007, and now we have more than 75 employees. We have a lot of advanced equipment. Later I will play a video, you can see it. And we have passed a factory audit for several famous companies. We are a supplier of BYD. BYD is a famous China car maker, and Siemens, CRRC. CRRC is China bullet train manufacturers. This is our factory's video. As you can see, this video was produced by Alibaba and the top right hand. So, which means their employees come to our factories and take these films. This is our machine shop. You can see this is CNC centers. Those CNC centers is to machine the exhaust manifolds. So the dimension is very accurate. We have around more than 18 sets CNC centers. And those are CNC lathes. We have 35 sets CNC lathes. This is our inspection equipment. Hard meters to test and the spectrometer. CMM is used to measure the dimensions, very accurate. Imagine measurement meters and the tensile testers. And we also have welding equipment. This is our warehouse. So from this video, I think you have know more about our factories. And please still visit our website, and you can find more information about exhaust manifolds, like how to produce it, how much is it, the price, and how to get a quote, and many things. Thank you for watching this video. Please visit our website, cast-exhaustmanifold.com. Thank you.